unlocking a world of knowledge in an instant. Ready for today's quick insight?
To use a file as a ringtone, first, ensure the file is in a compatible audio format, like MP3 or WAV. Then, transfer the file to your phone. On Android, you can usually go to Settings, Sound and Vibration greater than Ringtone. Then tap plus, Add, or Custom Ringtone to navigate to your file. For iPhone, use iTunes or the Music app to create an AAC version of your file. Sync it with your phone, then select it in Settings, Sounds and Haptics, Ringtone.
We've quenched today's curiosity, but there's always more to learn. Keep the curiosity alive by subscribing and joining us for our next adventure.